In today's video, I want to show you a new software called Coloring Word Search Puzzles Generator by Niranjan and Banks. This is a new launch just started today and is only going to last for just a few days. So make sure that you don't miss this special offer. I'm offering bonuses throughout the funnel for each part of the funnel. So definitely it's an awesome bonus offer for you. I want to walk you through the features of the front end OT01, the first upsell, the second upsell OT02, and also the third upsell. Now, something unique about this software is that it helps you to generate not the regular word search puzzle, but the coloring word search puzzle, also with a bold and easy vibe to it. Let me show you from Amazon what kind of book these are. As you can see, this is the kind of book, bold and easy word search coloring puzzle. You get inside, you will see how it looks. It's a word search puzzle with letters that you can color in it. And all of this puzzle are designed to be simple and with a bold and easy design. The words are at most six words for each puzzle. So they are simple puzzles, easy to solve. You can see it has the bold line and just very few words to compose this puzzle. And people just color the answer on top of the letters. And this is how simple it is. This kind of puzzle is selling very well. As you can see for this one, it has lots of reviews and it's looking really nicely. Especially nowadays, bold and easy coloring books are so popular. So if we combine activity books plus this bold and easy theme, you can double down on these two in-demand niches. All right. So another thing you notice is that this kind of book usually is in square formats and large prints. It's great for kids and it's also great for adults coloring. All right, let me go back to the software. So let's take a look at the features. So I have the full access. So when you see the features here, I'm actually having all of the features, all of the 3 levels included. Let's take a look at creating a puzzle. I'm going to add a new page to start with empty page. So over on this left-hand side, you can click on the templates and it's going to bring you the puzzle right here. And you can notice this is a very simple, bold and easy puzzle. With the front end, you can change the words. You can basically click on the puzzle and click on this pen icon to edit the words that you want to use in the puzzle. So it's quite simple. And with the front end, you already got 900 fonts with the front end for you to choose from. Now, let's talk about the OT01, the first upsell. Something unique about the OT01 is that first, it's going to support unlimited download, which means you can download as, unlimited times. With front end, you can download 100 pages, 100 files per month. Also, with the first upsell, you get the balcony features, which is not in the front end. Also, one very nice feature I really love is the ability to add your own image. So take a look at what you can do with your own image. If you have the OT01 upsell, you can click here to upload your own image. Like for example, you can upload. For me, I love playing with this with some really cute borders. So I upload a border in here and then I can say insert and I can insert this kawaii, bold and easy penguin border into this project. I right click, push to the back, and now my puzzle has this border included in it. So when I print this out, make a book, then I can fully make a bold and easy kawaii book with the border like that. Now, with this border, you may want to adjust the number of columns and number of rows in the puzzle. You just need to right click on the puzzle, click on open settings, and then on the left hand side, you can then select how many columns you want and how many rows you want. So I can reduce the number of rows to maybe 5, update the word search, and then I can have it fit better into this page, just like that. So this is a really neat feature. Like some of this gap, I can also fill in with additional coloring graphics. As long as you have like PNG and JPEG graphics, you can add into this using the upload images feature. And this is only in the Pro upsell. So make sure if you like seeing this kind of border, you definitely get the Pro upsell. Now, I added a few other border in here, and all the border you can adjust by, you can make the border bigger and smaller to adjust to fit into the page. And same with the puzzle, you can also adjust to have the different number of rows and columns to fit. And look at how cute all of these puzzles with the cute border. They make the whole page much more unique and different, especially when you go and compete with everybody else on Amazon. You want something that is cute, combining the bold and easy kawaii theme for coloring pages, plus the actual coloring word puzzle. It's just make it so much fun and so much unique. I'm going to offer you my bonus for the Pro upsell. All of the borders you see here, you're going to get them when you purchase the Pro upsell. And here are all of the borders. Here I have 15 borders for you, and these are all really cute, really lovely borders. They work perfectly for the bold and easy word search puzzle. In addition to the kawaii borders that you will get, when you purchase the OTO1 through my link, you will also get my brand new unreleased bold and easy kawaii border AI training. So in this training, I will show you how you can use 2 different AI art generators to create those bold and easy kawaii borders. I'm going to cover both Midjourney and Ideogram AI to create those bold and easy coloring borders that you can use in coloring word search puzzle generator. For just buying the front end, I'm also including a set of the front end coloring pack for you to choose from. You can pick any of those coloring pack, just the front end, which is 30 line art characters from my coloring pack directory page here. So there are lots of different front end characters that you can choose from. In addition to the front end coloring pack, I'm also going to give you a set of brand new A+ content Canva templates. So these are created just for you for this particular product. As you can see, I have the square formats, 8x5 by 8x5 type of coloring book content, A+ content that you can use to put your coloring book pages in it to create the additional marketing materials for your book. So I have the square, I also have the rectangular, which is mapping to 8.5 by 11 inches US letter size. And here I have the cover as well. The background, you can easily mix and match with different photos from Canva. And these are all free elements here. This one is another layout with the square formats of the book. So you can see here there's a lot of different pages that you can use to create your own A+ content page. When you purchase the front end through my link, you will get all of these pages in here to help you create stunning A+ content. Now, let me show you what's the next upsell, which is OTO2. OTO2 gives you a lot of languages for you to create word search puzzle for all sorts of different languages. You can see this from these language settings. We have English in the regular version. Then we have Spanish, German, French, Dutch, Swedish, Italian, Norwegian, Danish, and so on. There's just so many languages supported in the OTO2. So definitely if you want to publish books internationally for different countries, this word search puzzle in different languages, definitely go for the OTO2 upsell. My bonuses for OTO2 will be a full funnel coloring bundle for you. So you will get a full funnel from any of these coloring pack bundles listed on my coloring book directory page. So you're going to get the front end 30 line art characters, the bronze, silver, and also the gold levels. And you can pick your favorite coloring bundle from this page here. You will also get 27 coupon codes to use towards my bonus training. Now for the third upsell, which is OTO3, you're going to get 10 additional high-quality custom designed English fonts that you can use, and they are all designed to use in the word search coloring puzzle here. And you can see these are the different bold, easy OTO3 fonts. There are 10 different versions that you can choose and change in here inside the application. So these are the ones from the OTO3 upsell that you can use. Okay, and when you purchase my OTO3 upsell, I'm going to include $37 coupon code that you can use inside my shop. All right, so these are all the bonuses and offers that I'd like to show you. So I hope you enjoyed this little demo video, and feel free to let me know if you have any questions. To purchase, basically just click on the link at the end of this video, and then you will find my bonus inside Warrior Plus account. All right, so I hope this is helpful to you. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.